Hello, this is other bird food during the winter, and this is some Thistle or Cirsium in Latin, I guess. And you see that somebody has ate the seeds, and the seeds are staying quite long in this plant, and it's also important small bird food. And you can see that somebody have splitted the seed and eat the inside of the seed. All seeds are only this what is a round seed. Don't know English name how to call it. And yeah, and this Thistle is other important bird food for the winter. What you could save in your farm to help the wildlife.